Hi guys, welcome. This is my trip to Japan. Boarding time, boarding time. So guys, we will be landing in few minutes. But this is an unplanned trip. I bought my ticket using GetGo points many months ago. Even though I really didn't plan this trip. So today is Sunday. So nung Friday lang ako nakapag-made up ng mind ko na, sige, alis na nga ako. And then I booked my hostel. I bought in Klook yung mga tickets. But now the problem is I don't have the itinerary. I don't have plans where to go, what to do. I don't even know how to go to the hostel. I just wanna thank Google Map for everything. I will be staying in Taito City near Asakusabashi train station. So this is a famous crosswalk in Tokyo. It is called Shibuya Crossing. So dahil wala talaga akong itinerary, nakisabay lang ako sa mga Filipino tourist. I am having my first-hand experience crossing the most famous Shibuya crossing. I'm just thankful that in the hostel where I'm staying, there were Filipinos who were able to tour me around. Since this is my first time to travel abroad alone. And also, this is a non-English speaking country.
Welcome to Ueno Park. See around. Maganda siya. Wow. Ilaw na yung mga puno. Sunod na araw, kalbo na yan.
One thing I notice about Japanese people is that they are really disciplined. They are also helpful, especially to the tourists, especially those who are working at train stations.
Papunta kami ng Odaiba. Odaiba.
This is Carlo, my companion for today. This is the Eureka Momen line. Medyo na-stress ako dito kasi yung Tokyo Pass ko pala hindi na-accept. And then, yung Suica card ko hindi rin siya ina-accept. So I was talking to the guard via intercom. Tapos hindi kami nagkakaintindihan, para kaming ewan. This is the usual food in Japan. Walang rice. And I also spend a lot for coffee kasi malamig.
So nakarating na ako sa Imperial Palace.
Ano yan? Nagagawin mo dyan video?
Video.
Compare mo siya?
Hindi, wala lang.
Makisama mo ako. Pagpigil mo sa akin.
Thank you, Carlo. This is the Imperial Palace grounds. There's so many people. Japanese, Chinese, Koreans. Only few Europeans and Americans. 2 Filipinos.
Imperial Palace is located in Chiyoda. So this is a very relaxing place to visit. Maraming puno, pwede kang magmuni-muni, mag-emote. Alalahanin yung mga ex mo. I didn't explore Tokyo that much kasi I'm a little scared because I'm alone. But I would love to come back someday, hopefully.
Bye, Japan! See you, Manila, in few hours.
And that concluded my trip to the land of the rising sun. Until next time.